Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to upgrade Telegram Premium iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To upgrade to Telegram Premium on your iPhone, first what you can do is simply head over and open up your App Store. Then on the search bar simply type in Telegram and look for an app icon like this on your search list and just simply tap on that. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on open and then ensure you are using the official Telegram app downloaded from the Apple App Store. Other versions or bots are unsupported, so keep that in mind. And once it has been downloaded, simply tap on open and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you're logged into your account, tap on the gear icon on the bottom right tab. Then simply tap on Telegram Premium at the bottom of the settings menu. Then simply tap on subscribe, pick monthly or annual, and then confirm via Apple's payment flow. Example, double click power button for Apple Pay, and once done, after payment your account will activate Premium instantly across all your Telegram devices. Cost is typically $4.99 per month or $35.99 a year depending on your region. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.